Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change boot drive. Before starting, it is important that you know some keys that allow you to access the BIOS. These depend on the brand of your PC. Some you can use are Delete, F2, F8, F9, Escape, F1. With this in mind, click Start and from the Shutdown button, select Restart. During this process, press any of the keys that we have mentioned. With this, you access the BIOS. Here in this model, you will go to the Startup section. After that, in the first boot device line, you can select which device you will boot the PC with. When choosing it, press the F10 key to save the changes and access the selected system or method. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.